Tired of blinding white screens while working late? Let's turn on Google Docs Dark Mode to save your eyes. Method 1. Enable Forced Dark Mode in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome. Type Chrome / flags in the address bar. Search for Dark Mode. Click on Default option and select Enable from the list. Click Relaunch button from right bottom corner and check Google Docs should be in dark mode. Open Google Docs, Google Sheets, or any other documents that will auto dark mode. Method 2. Use Chrome Dark Mode extension. Open Chrome Web Store. Search for Dark Mode Google Docs. Press Add to Chrome button and press Add Extension button to confirm adding in Chrome. Now pin extension to URL bar. Click extension icon and press pin icon. Now click on Dark Mode extension and select Google Docs to enable dark mode. You can disable dark mode anytime from Toggle. Now work comfortably day or night. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.